Hello everyone! Deliveries surged, breaking records across models. Anticipation grows for upcoming releases, potentially reshaping sales figures significantly in 2024. It's time for us to discuss the weekly supply numbers. Some figures have exceeded 100%. Deliveries have reached the moon. But before I share these delivery numbers with you, firstly, we're talking about December 25th to December 31st. The breakdown of every model vehicles. Firstly, ES6 has delivered 2180 units in a week, so this is over 609 more than the previous week and more than 1042 from the same time this month, which can be equated to a 91% increase in comparison to the rainfall of 91%. ET5 and ET5T have delivered 1725 units, which is more than 440 from the previous week and over 594 from the same time this month, which can be equated to a 52% increase. ES8 has delivered 537 vehicles, which is more than 201 from the first week and 273 more than the previous month. This represents a 103% increase. NIO 777 has also seen an increase, totaling 281. While there has been an increase in deliveries from the first week, it's noteworthy that there is a 151 unit increase from the previous month, representing a significant 116% growth for the month. Now let's talk about EC6. They have delivered 885 units, which is 245 more than the first week and 298 more than the previous month, resulting in a 50% increase for the month overall. When combining the sales of ES6 and EC6, the total SUV sales amount to 3065, which is the highest ever recorded. This surpasses the previous record of 2935 deliveries when ES6 was launched. Moving on to the electric vehicles, including ET5, ET5T, ET5, and ET5T, they are also achieving record numbers, particularly in July. EC6 is hitting record highs in deliveries, and ES8 is also showing substantial growth. NIO 777 is performing well too. Overall, the results are impressive. Now let's discuss the competitors. Starting with the Model Y, its sales have decreased, with 11,702 vehicles delivered in China, which is 2,593 less than the first week. Xpeng G9 has delivered 1061 units, only 25 more than the first week. Ito M5, known for its strong sales in China, has delivered 755 units, 228 less than the first week. Interesting. Let's talk about Zeekr. Zeekr is a big player in the market. Initially, we thought people wouldn't buy this car, but it turns out that people are still buying it. They have delivered 2448 units, which is 628 more than last week and 1188 more than last month, showing a 94% increase. So, Zeekr 1 is performing quite well. BMW i3 has delivered 1603 units, 13 less than last week, but 49 more than last month, a 3% increase. BMW iX3 has delivered 1411 units, 356 more than last week, and 611 more than last month, a 76% increase for the month. So BMW iX3 is also performing quite well. If you plot it on a chart, you'll see it, my friend. Go check it out. Zeekr is still at the top in terms of the most sold cars. But sure, if you combine ES6 and EC6, they will surpass it. There, ET5 has overtaken BMW i3, which is good. And then iX3 is also rapidly climbing up. EC6 and ES8 are a bit behind, but they are also improving, which is good. Now let's talk about market share. According to market share, NIO holds a 51% market share compared to Zeekr with 22% and BMW with 27%. Quite interesting. Now regarding the increase in sales, everything is on the rise. The main reason for this is the urgency among people in Shanghai to buy due to changes in policy. We have discussed this multiple times. Obtaining license plates in Shanghai will be much more difficult in 2024, nearly 3 times as hard. People are buying as much as they can. As some of my subscribers have mentioned, they've said that if they don't get their license plates done within a week before the end of 2023, they won't qualify in 2024, resulting in losses. But this just goes to show the importance of policies. For my Q1 and beyond forecast, I believe Q1 and Q2 will be somewhat average, just okay. So let's not expect great results. Expect only ordinary outcomes. I understand that we may have some impressive figures in Q3 and Q4 when the sub-brand is launched and we refresh the chip in the car. Additionally, we are looking to launch the refresh for ES7 and ET7 sooner, which could give a significant boost to the figures for both ES7 and ET7. I truly hope that the 3 models of the 777 ES8 can lead the way. Look at this chart from July. These 3 models have outperformed any other model, and they are more affordable than the ES8, which is remarkable in itself. They are still quite expensive, but compared to the ES8, they are more affordable. This is unacceptable in my view. I hope that after the refresh of ET7 and ES7, I will see them surpassing at least the figures of ES8 and maybe even below the EC6. But this is just speculation. With 3 vehicle models, it should be above the EC6 in terms of deliveries. Yes, this is my personal expectation. I hope that it will be positioned between ET5T and EC6 in terms of deliveries. Yes, that's my personal hope. Hopefully, the refresh of 777 will give it a significant boost, which has not been impactful in any form throughout the year, with approximately 102,200 units or so. Yes, so I hope it can boost those figures. I think it will boost them. Fingers crossed. And I believe that in Q3 and Q4 of 2024, we will see a significant spike in sales. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.